Welcome to our 30-minute home workout for beginners, designed to help you burn fat and get in shape without leaving your house. In just 30 minutes a day, you can start seeing results and feeling healthier and stronger. Before we start, make sure you have a comfortable workout area and stay hydrated throughout the session. Let's begin with a basic warm-up to get your blood flowing and loosen up your muscles. Start by marching in place, swinging your arms gently, and gradually increasing the intensity. Next, let's move on to some cardio exercises like jumping jacks, high knees, and butt kicks to get your heart rate up. After the cardio, let's focus on strengthening your upper body with exercises like push-ups, modified push-ups, and tricep dips. Remember to keep your core engaged and maintain proper form to avoid any injuries. Now, let's shift our attention to the lower body with exercises like squats, lunges, and leg lifts to tone your legs and glutes. Take breaks whenever you need to, but try to push yourself a little bit harder each time. To make this workout more challenging, you can use water bottles or dumbbells for resistance. Don't forget to incorporate some core exercises like plank variations, Russian twists, and reverse crunches to strengthen your abs. As we near the end of our workout, let's slow things down with some cool-down stretches to prevent muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Take a few minutes to stretch your hamstrings, calves, quads, and other major muscle groups. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to schedule regular sessions and gradually increase the intensity over time. You're well on your way to burning fat and reaching your fitness goals. Keep up the great work and stay active. We hope you found these helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos.